It's time to read through Renovation with Justine. We found a hat. Part 1. Finding the hat. We found a hat. We found it together. But there is only one hat, and there are two of us. How does it look on me? It looks good on you. How does it look on me? It looks good on you too. It looks good on both of us, but it would not be right if one of us had a hat and the other did not. There's only one thing to do. We must leave the hat here and forget that we found it. Part 2. Watching the sunset. We are watching the sunset. We watch it together. What are you thinking about? I'm thinking about the sunset. What are you thinking about? Nothing. Part 3. Going to sleep. We are going to sleep. We are going to sleep here together. Are you almost asleep? I'm almost asleep. Are you all the way asleep? I'm all the way asleep. I am dreaming a dream. What are you dreaming about? I will tell you what I am dreaming about. I am dreaming about that I have a hat. It looks very good on me. You are also there. You also have a hat. It looks very good on you, too. We both have hats? Thank you for listening.